Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Ronnie Hair. And today I'm going to be showcasing this 360 kinky straight lace frontal wig. The length that I have is 22 inches. This one is 150% in density. That is what it looks like straight out of the box. And then this unit also has a cap construction of 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps. And you also have the area for your removable elastic band. I washed this unit using my Aussie Moist shampoo and conditioner, so this is what it looks like after it has been air dried. And this unit does come with a pre-plugged hairline, but I went in and plugged just a little bit more. This is what it looks like after I ran my flat iron through the hair. I did have to do a couple of passes to get it this sleek, but you can see it looks really nice and soft. So I'm going to pre-style this on my mannequin head today. I'm going to be taking my She Is Bomb wax stick and I'm going to go around the hairline area because I want this to look really nice and sleek. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and begin to press this out. This 360 unit, most of your parting space is going to be in the middle, so that's exactly how I am going to part this. However, you can part this as a side part if you choose to, or if you don't want to rock a part at all, you can opt out of that. I'm going to be taking that same wax stick and my Kendra's Boutique hot comb once again, and I'm just going to begin to press this down really well. There was not a lot of density in the frontal area, so you're not going to have any problems with getting this to lay flat. Right here, I'm just pulling out a little bit of hairs out of the hairline area, and I'm using my hot comb to press that down. Also, I already knew that I wanted to create some swoops. That's why I did it ahead of time, because I don't want to mess up the style that I am going for. Of course, if you're not a fan of doing that, you can always skip the step and move on to the next, because I feel like the hairline looks good. You can wear it as is. I already knew that I wanted like a wavy, curly look, so I was really debating on if I wanted to use my wand curler or my flat iron, and of course the wand curler one. It did take me some time, y'all, to wand curl this hair because I wanted it to really look nice and wavy, and I didn't want to take too many big sections. So it came out really good, but I had to wand curl most of this off of camera because my arm was getting tired and I had to go over a few pieces. Once I got to the top area, I did take even smaller sections. I also did use my olive oil super hold spray just to kind of spritz over the hair a little bit so that it could hold even better, especially at that top part. Now, all of the products that I am using in today's video can be found down below in the description area on my Amazon storefront. Now with these waves, I don't want to mess with them too much, only because I know they're going to drop quick. They won't hold a forever curl. They'll end up dropping more into a wave. So there were some sections that I had to kind of go back and fix, especially in the back part. But this is what it is looking like so far before I put it on my head. Now, I did go ahead and tighten up the elastic band and also my adjustable strap so that I could have a good fit. And I did already go ahead and cut off the lace on the side by my ear because it was coming over, and I did not want that to happen. Now, I do feel like I cut it a little bit too short on one side, but that's okay because it's not going to be seen. And this lace is your transparent lace. I was debating on if I wanted to add some type of tint spray to it, but I opted not to, and I'm happy that I did. So I'm going to be using that olive oil super hold spray, and I'm just going to be spraying that on my skin first, and then I'm just going to place the lace on top of it. There were some areas where I still had to spray down, especially on the side, because for some reason with 360s, they kind of come back a little bit on me. I'm not sure why, but it just happens. So I want to make sure that these sides are laid down and that they don't move. added my elastic band on. I let it sit for a little while. I even ate lunch, and then I came back and it was time to remove it. And you can see how well that everything just kind of melted on in. And that's why I'm happy I did not add that tint spray, because I felt like it would have come off a bit darker. Now, there were some areas where some of the spray ended up caking up, but I am going to end up fixing that. But first, I want to go ahead and work on the shorter hairs in the front. I'm just going to cut them down, and I did kind of tweeze them out a little bit more when they were on the mannequin head so that they wouldn't come off looking too thick. But I'm going to be using that same spray that I used to melt the lace down and just kind of swoop them over. At first, I wasn't happy with my sideburns, but I'm going to end up fixing them later. I am going to be putting some powder into the parting space area. This is my Ruby Kisses 3D powder palette, and that's just going to help brighten it up. I didn't go in and bleach the knots on this unit because I didn't feel like it was needed. The knots are small, they're not super thick, and they are not really dark, so I feel like they were fine. And then I'm going to go around the hairline area and just kind of, fix everything up, just doing some extra prepping. And I'm using my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum to fluff up this hair, mainly focusing towards the ends, because with these wand curls, they have started to get tangled just a little bit. So putting the serum throughout the hair definitely helped. I'm just kind of rubbing that through. I'm just going to go in and fix those sideburns. I wanted them to come off looking just a tad bit thicker. I had to pull out some hair towards the back, but guys, this is the final look. I am happy with the way that this hair wand curled, even though I did have to go back and fix up a few sections. I feel like it still looks good. This texture is bomb. It looks very, very realistic. And this is definitely a true 150% when it comes to the density. They definitely did not skip out on that. As far as the hairline goes, I feel like it looks good. Like I said, it came pre-puck, but I did end up going in and pucking just a little bit more. And I thought the lace was going to be too light, but as you can see, it blended in well. Of course, I did not want to just leave you with one style, so I'm going to create another look. So I'm just getting some bangs and just kind of sectioning it off the way I want it to be. And then I'm going to tuck some of this hair on the side. Now, for some reason, I still had a little bit of crust going on from that spray. I just bought this bottle of spray, and I have never had this flake up on me before, but now it wants to flake up. So I don't know if I used too much, but I took my brush and I'm going to brush this into a ponytail. I have my ponytail holder, and then I am just going to wrap that around really tightly. I'm going to pull out a strand of hair and wrap this around the ponytail holder because I do not want it to show. I'm going to take a little bit of that spray and use my blow dryer to spray it down to create a nice ponytail. Once that is all dried, then I'm going to recurl these strands in the front. Now, you can cut these down a little bit if that's something that you choose to do, if you know you are going to have bangs and you don't want them looking too long. But I actually like them long. I kind of pulled them out a little bit more so that they wouldn't be, too straight. And then, of course, I am going to fix those sideburns because I don't want to leave them just looking the way they was looking. But this is the ponytail look. I love this. You could definitely add some earrings if you are going somewhere where you want your hair pulled back and you want to be a little bit more dramatic. This is going to be a really cute look. I give you guys another option, but this option is going to be keeping the hair up off of your neck. I purchased these hair clips off of Amazon. This was the neutral pack, and what I like about this pack is that these were matte. They weren't shiny at all, so I think they will help with going with more casual outfits. I'm just gonna tuck those strands behind my ear and work it into the rest of the hair, and I'm just gonna roll this hair up and put this clip on. This is just a quick, I gotta run somewhere, I really don't feel like doing my hair, or I want my hair out of the way. You guys know we used to always wear these clips all the time, and it still is going to look really cute. Like I said, get you some earrings. Y'all know I don't really wear earrings because they hurt my ears, but I just feel like this style was cute and just kind of wanted to bring it back. But that is what the clip looks like, and like I said, I love that it is matte. You can always take the clip out and just pull the hair behind your head, and you see these waves, they kind of holding on strong now. They holding on strong. So I want to create a fun look also, so I'm just going to grab a few strands of hair, and then I'm going to create this ponytail. I'm just going to go for a messy space bun look, more of a youthful, playful thing going on. It didn't take me any time to do this, and I just wanted to give you guys some options. Even though it is hot outside, there are still some ladies who love to rock these long, natural looking styles for the summertime, and that is absolutely okay. The good thing about rocking wigs is that you can manipulate them and play with the styles without damaging your own hair. We hope you guys enjoyed all of these styles. Let me know which one was your favorite. If you are feeling this unit, I'm gonna make sure to leave the links down below. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.